Welcome to the video. Hardware covers all of those parts of a computer that are tangible objects. In our previous video, we learned about incomplete records, referred to lack of accounting records, accounting to the double entry system. Degree of incompleteness may vary from highly disorganized records to organized, but still not complete. A statement of affairs is a statement showing various assets and liabilities of a firm on date, with the difference between the two sides denoting capital. Let's start our today's video. Elements of computer system hardware part 1. Start with meaning of computer. A computer is a machine that processes data according to a set of instructions and brings out meaningful information. A computer system ideally consists of following major elements. Elements of computer system are hardware, software, people, procedure, data, connectivity. In this session, we will study basic components of the computer hardware. Computer hardware are the components of computer that have physical existence, such as keyboard, CPU, monitor and mouse, etc. Basic components of the computer hardware are motherboard, processor, primary storage memory, secondary storage devices, keyboard, sound card and speakers, monitor, printers. Starting with motherboard. The mother keyboard is the main circuit board of your computer and is also known as the main board or logic board. It is a printed circuit board and is responsible for housing all the important components of your computer system. The motherboard gets its name from the fact that it is a printed circuit board and is able to have many other devices added to it. These added devices are CPU, ROM, memory RAM, extension slots, PCI slots and USB ports. It also includes controllers for devices like hard drive, DVD drive, keyboard and mouse. Basically, the motherboard is what makes everything in your computer work together. Next is processor. A processor is a small chip that generally resides in motherboard. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer and provides ability to computer for executing any given instruction and also tells the computer how to control the flow of instructions. In computer systems, all the major calculations and comparisons are made inside the CPU, and the CPU is also responsible for activating and controlling the operations of other units of a computer system. Let's study the components of a processor. Input, memory, CPU, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, registers, output. The processor's job is to retrieve instructions from memory, retrieve data operanda from memory, perform the operation, retrieve the next instruction. Processing system is divided into 3 units: arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit, control unit. Arithmetic logical unit or ALU. This unit of the CPU is capable of performing arithmetic and logical presentation like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, comparison of two numbers. Next is memory unit. A processor has its own memory inside it in the shape of small cells. Each memory cell is called a register. ALU gets data from registers and stores it in registers to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Data comes in register from primary memory of the computer. Next is control unit. This unit of the processor controls all the activities of the processor and also controls the input and output devices of the computer like mouse, keyboard, video, printer, etc. Third component is primary storage memory. Primary memory is also known as volatile memory or random access memory. When a data is processed, a copy of that data is opened in the RAM of the computer for changes or calculation to be carried out, and thereafter save the changes or may be left unsaved. The main feature of RAM is a temporary or volatile memory in which data persists only for the time when the power is switched on and is lost once the power is switched off. Another form of memory is ROM, known as read-only memory, which holds the data permanently that cannot be changed. It is permanently non-volatile, that means it holds its memory even when power is removed. ROM contains the program that is required when computer is turned on. It starts the process of boot up and transfer the control to the CPU, and thus operating system is installed in it. So what we have learned today is input devices are mouse, keyboard, joystick, image scanner, webcam, graphics tablet and microphone. I hope you like this video. Have a great day.